Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today guys, I have decided to prepare some brief update on the different currencies because there's really nothing significant on our major pairs that we usually discuss. The euro currency, Great British Pound, the situation is changing slowly. That's why we will take a look today at the three currencies, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar and the Great British Pound, because in the recent time we have discussed some moments there, and the patterns that we have discussed still stand in progress, and we will try to catch some short-term setups that could be traded today. They are rather small and fast. It's called the scalp trade, but that's mostly because it's very difficult to find some strategical trade right now. Markets are either overextended in one or other direction, or they do not show any clear patterns that could be used immediately. So first of all, we will start from the Great British Pound, since here we have our bread and butter buy trade in progress on the monthly chart. And if you remember, we are trying to catch the right moment to take the position. And right now you see, as we have suggested in our weekly research, you see that market has completed our ABC top D pattern. Here was the touching of the target yesterday. This market has reached the 100% extension. That's also the weekly pivot support one. So that's rather suitable place for the taking the position, but that's not sufficient, because our context suggests that we need to get some reversal pattern that could let us to take the position, could trigger this upward action. And currently we do not have it. So if you take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see that here in fact we have just this channel to the downside, 2 step down, 1 step up, 2 step down, 1 step up, and so on, right? And we need that market will break this tendency. How it could happen? For example, market could form here some small head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort. But we suspect that mostly the clue to the solution of this situation will stand with the non-farm payrolls release. And that's why I think that we need to keep a close eye on the ADP report, because ADP report has very strong correlation with the non-farm payrolls release. And if ADP will show the super positive results, that will tell us that market will probably trying to move lower, and I can't exclude that maybe it will even could form the double bottom pattern. If non-farm payrolls release will be positive, then we could get the double bottom pattern as a reversal. I will not exclude the chance that here we could get even some butterfly, big butterfly. You should not forget that we have the pattern on the monthly chart, and that could lead to appearing of the huge patterns on the intraday charts as the reversal pattern, and they probably will be visible even on the daily chart. That's normal, because that's the big picture. The monthly chart is the big picture. That's why we should not need to be rushed with the taking the position and to hurry that we will miss the trade or so on. I think that we will see the big pattern before any action will start. So keep an eye on the DP report. I do not see currently what could be done on the Great British Pound. So the first stage of our plan has been achieved. So market has hit this area, but we did not get any patterns yet. So let's see what will happen. Next currency that I would like to talk about is the Canadian dollar, since yesterday we have traded the butterfly here. So you can see on the daily chart we have this ABCD. Market has hit the target yesterday of this pattern, also has hit the overbought condition. Well guys, although the butterfly has worked, so you can see when the market has touched the target, that was the reasonable retracement down. And if you have traded this butterfly according to the rules that we have described in our Forex military school, you should get some profit here. But unfortunately, this butterfly has given us only the minimum profit. So there's the 3-8 retracement of this thrust up. Its minimal object point has been reached by the patron. It has not triggered yet any significant retracement due to the appearing of this ABCD patron. That's why today we probably could keep an eye on the possible shifting of this butterfly to the head and shoulders. So it's very often the butterflies become the part of the head and shoulders patron. And if market will start to form here something of that sort, that could become the patron that will put the starting point of the retracement on this ABCD completion. So the patron that could trigger this retracement based on this completing point of this ABCD could be the butterfly, could be the head and shoulders, if this will happen. So that's the development that we should keep an eye on. If market will continue to move higher, just forget about it. We will need something else here. But until market's still coiling around the 1618 extension of this butterfly, and that's where a typical ratio from the shoulder to the head is 1618 for the head and shoulders patron. That's why the chances still exist that this retracement down could happen, but it will happen already by some another patron, and this patron could be the head and shoulders. Finally, the third currency pair that I would like to talk about is the Australian dollar. It provides the scalp opportunity for the trading, which is scalp trade. If you trade on the intraday charts, this butterfly could be interesting for you because you can see this clear pattern. Since market has shown this really fast acceleration to the 127 extension, I suspect that market will still reach the 1618. And that's the point where you could search for the possibility of taking the long position. Minimum target is the 3-8 retracement of the whole move down. It's not a very small move. It will be probably, well, approximately 40-50 pips at minimum. Well, that's the scalp trade, but pattern itself looks very attractive and very clear. That's what could be traded immediately during today's trading session. But personally, I will be watching on this pattern, how it will develop, and maybe we will be able to trade it during today's trading session. And personally, I will be watching for the 1618 extension. So I haven't taken the long position here at 127, mostly due to this thrust down. When the butterfly shows this thrust down, it usually reaches the 1618 object point. That's why it just will be more attractive area to take the position, since you will be able to place tighter stop. Well, if it will not happen, well, no means no. That just we'll wait for the another patron. That's probably all for today. So I don't see something else that could be really interesting right now. Maybe we'll see something tomorrow. But still, we have some jab here. So watching for the Canadian, watching for the Great British Pound, and if you will be interested with this butterfly, you could try to trade it today.